Giant.
Go.
Portal 1 immediately. And start pumping.
Tanks keep aggroing people on
Target, my target, my target.
and keep pushing them off. Look on the edge. Try to keep pushing them off.
Ah, being stunned.
Flashing. Just using everything here.
Okay, start moving backwards a bit, guys. We're gonna pick the guys on the edge. Whoever is like getting in alone, we're gonna kill them. Here, my target, my target.
Try to push them off.
Can you put a sun on you at least?
My target here,
I don't mind
Cryptos.
about my targets, but maybe a sun on you would be good.
Cryptos, good, he's dead. I'm gonna get a bit out here. I'm gonna get the. Come, boys.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I'm just sorry. I'm just getting the marks,
That's fine.
my boys.
I'm going from the top grapple, by the way.
Yeah,
No
go.
point. I'm gonna go on down.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I'm
We can
fine,
already
okay.
take position here.
Take space. Tanks keep.
Gonna send here again.
walking them.
New target,
behind
new
you,
target.
by the
Just
way.
finish the low guys. Whoever is low HP. Yeah. Good stuff. Okay, we're gonna start moving backwards now. Yeah. Yeah, start getting control, like moving towards the top. Just keep assisting here, boys.
Yeah.
Finding new
Okay,
targets here. New target here. Go.
Yep.
Raising him.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good. It's all good. I'm Invis here. New target. Target here. Gonna pump him
Haven't
real
slept.
soon. 3, 2, 1. Gonna pump him on
someone's
kit. Yeah. Gonna pump him.
Nice. Take the position. Take position in nest. Take the high
I've
ground.
been
next.
CC'd a lot.
Yeah, come.
Fighting,
Very
keep
blessed.
fighting here. All good. Nobody's on the high ground. Keep fighting in the nest.
New target. Dead.
Nice control.
You target?
Of the camp.
Oh shit! I'm coming back up. Coming up.
Flint, if you are done in the camp, look. towards
Sorry,
the altar.
We're moving back. I'm gonna smoke screen here.
Easy on altar. I need few spears
Oh,
here on the
it's
altar
behind.
to clear completely altar.
Coming back. Guys, respawn on 3. Respawn on
Yeah.
3 when you're done.
Tanks, try to provoke them and try to clump them up. Take the control of the hill on top, Dax and Fufu. And keep holding
Coming
control
back.
here.
I don't have
target.
anything right now.
It's okay.
Don't clump,
Get in
don't
this if I
clump,
have
don't
to. Sorry guys, wrong target.
Been spawn killed on 3.
Gonna be a new target here. They're really clumped. Cryptos. 3, 2, 1. Pump him here. Gonna silence.
clump. Nice fooder.
Flash
Okay,
here.
I'm running from 3, but I'm one shot. Oh,
Right, let me just get the rest as well. Okay.
Is
Here,
it- it's
here,
two
on
people
Rebel,
been
on Rebel.
spawn killed.
Cryptos. Kill him here.
Best.
Get him here.
If you
Get him here.
can, go on top also in the nest side. Look at the
Keep assisting, boys. He's almost down.
Help out,
Got him.
Dax.
New target. No. He's down. We're gonna kill this tank here.
I'm running to you now, by the way. I'm
Yeah.
literally back. I need help.
Nice, keep
All
on-
good, it's
keep
all good.
controlling the
I
camp.
fucked up.
And look on the respawns.
Okay, guys, we have the
Coming
top.
with 50%
We're gonna
HP.
new target here. Popek. We're just gonna pump this clump.
How are the assassins
Kill.
going?
Smoke
I
on
need
me.
the info from JP.
And then here.
No.
Gonna slow here. New target
Gonna flash
here.
here.
New target. Ad goes. Get him, guys. I'm coming back again.
Look
In
towards
this.
the nest, guys. Look towards the nest.
Back to 3.
Shit ton of them here, clumped up. I need a Flint's party here on the nest side. Altar.
I got pulled. Coming back.
Okay, come. Nice, Jesse. Okay, I'm up again. Rocco. Pump him here.
Rainan, when
Yeah.
you can
Popek,
reset,
Popek,
go back
Popek.
to nest and
Popek is
look
low.
at their back.
Yeah,
and
freezing.
help
Debuffed
out
and
on
everything.
top
Kill him,
because,
just kill him here.
The nest is now
Is it-
free.
Okay. Now we're gonna get the clump. Get the clump here. Yeah. Perfect. Pump it. Yukinara. Pumping in here.
Yep.
Good
Silencing.
assisting, boys. Keep it up. Kill him here. Dead. Good job. Okay, if they're trying to come from hook here, let me just see the situation. Okay, nobody here. We're just gonna pump them from the top. You see fence?
Yeah.
You see fence here? Digital pane here. Yeah. This clump.
Clear them on the nest
Oh
side.
shit! I need to
Nice.
come back.
Gonna help here.
Best.
Coming back.
That was
Yeah.
so bad for me. Coming back.
No, I stayed down. I should have come back up. Sorry.
On
You
these.
can still keep respawning on one, guys. All good. Come in.
We're
coming
still
back,
going
sorry,
3.
there's a
We're still
spawn
going
here,
3
by
by
the
the
way.
way.
Here, I don't need you on the respawn.
I'm hitting him, Dax.
So the damage.
Yeah. We get.
Nice.
Good kit. I'm coming back up. I'm using the hook now, guys.
Yeah, we're coming to the hook.
Yeah, guys, let's help here. If this guy behind. Hippo.
Ivan's party, go to center.
Keep
That's good. New target. We're gonna AoE them here. Xen's up. Gonna
Push.
silence here. It's a
Yeah.
healer. 3, 2,
Yeah.
1. Pumping him. He's gonna be debuffed. Kill. Good job. Low C.
Altar.
Sorry, not low C. Rita.
Here is fucking
Because he's okay. We can actually kill. We can kill Vlosi. Vlosi. We can just finish him off. Good job.
One
In the
behind.
back here, roulette. Okay, he's
Nice
out.
clear, Zaggy.
Guys, okay,
Look
guys,
towards the
look,
camp,
look,
Zaggy.
look how big
Look at the camp.
altar is. Altar is so huge.
To the right, guys. On nest.
Here, on me, on me. On me.
Yeah, coming.
Fuck, somehow. An invis here. Here, we're gonna hit this clump here. This big clump.
I
Guys in
can
decks.
do it before it dies.
Nice, nice, nice.
Mhm.
Good, just keep assisting, boys. Yeah, get out, get out, get out. Now we pulled a lot of them here.
Assassins, keep killing them.
We're gonna go up
Oh,
again.
wait,
I'm gonna
wait,
guard in here if I
wait.
can. I can't. They're coming
Okay,
back.
try to play a bit on
My
the stone,
bad.
Try to play a bit on the stone.
Coming 3.
Aconit, keep killing
Smoke
on
on
the nest.
me.
Keep killing on the nest. The rest who is playing towards the camp in the center, try to play closer to the stone. There's a
I'm
big
back,
fight
by the way,
going
need
on
to.
top.
Okay, boys, back to
We need top
assisting.
be cleared.
Back to assisting. Ad goes here. Freezing him.
Nest.
We kill him here.
More
Flashing.
people on the
New
stone.
target, new target, new target.
People on the stone.
Kill him here.
Nice. People
Good
from
job.
the camp and
New
the center
target.
move towards the stone.
Target
Let
assist.
people
It's a
fight
healer.
fight on top.
3, 2, 1. Pumping. Invest and
Yeah,
AoE.
oh, yeah,
Deafness,
they're dead.
deafness.
Altar, guys. Altar. B group. Look, altar.
New target. Fade away. He's dead. New target again. Just pump here because we
I'm
get
back
a
in
lot of
the
value
I
here.
need to heal. Back over.
Pump them here. Pump them.
You clear top. Look altar. Look nest. Move. Don't
Go, let's go.
fight
In
guys.
there.
Clear them. Look.
Now I'll nest is huge. Nest.
Flashing.
Dead going
Pull them
from
back,
portal
pull them
3.
back, pull them back.
Okay.
Nice, Pierce. Let's go.
Ouch.
Yeah, on the stone here as well.
Yeah,
Regrowth.
we are capping.
He's invis.
They're on the stone. Look
He's
towards
invis.
the
Let's
nest.
just cap it
Clearing nest.
and also try
I'm
to
stepping
hold Cresta. If you can stand on the nest entrance.
Go help on nest.
Yeah,
Let's go. Pump here.
coming.
Keep pushing them
Oh,
off the nest.
so many.
Take control of nest because
I'm in, mister.
our-
I got
the
pulled, I got
Rangers
pulled.
can play only there.
There's a ton of me. I'm gonna die.
Keep
Send
clearing
it here again.
and keep clearing them. Okay. Move back. Hold
Flashing.
top.
Damn, so many.
Choke them here on the altar.
Altar is a lot of them.
Themselves up.
Okay, I'm back
Keep
on
playing
hook now.
around the stone. Keep playing around the stone.
Oh shit.
Opec here.
Nice. Assassins, keep holding the respawn one. Keep killing all on the respawn. You're helping.
How
us
is top?
with really fucking
Top
much.
is fine.
We need more people on the stone. They're capping.
I'll try to
We don't
plant
we can't
my
let them
feet
cap here.
here on the stone.
Tanks keep pushing
I'm
them
so
off.
decent for
Tanks
some
keep
reason.
pushing them off.
Guys, we just pull a bit back. Oh, okay, I'm coming on 3.
Guys, I'm
need
back
more
behind.
people on
I need to
stone.
heal here. I got pulled.
You're blessed.
Ow.
Come back up.
Guys, they are capping. I need more on stone.
Good job.
Clear them.
Coming back.
Look towards the altar.
Uh-huh.
Push from the altar side. Aconit.
Okay, boys, now look at the fence. Look at the fence
Side
as well.
and nest. I know
Fence
they're
is
getting
huge here.
farmed. We need to farm them now.
Here, guys.
Okay, now
Yeah,
we
I'm
are
trying to come
fucking
back up.
capping. 40%.
Okay, now we're. Oh, look at barricade. Barricade is insane.
Yep.
Here, just pump them on the
Pushing.
barricades.
Keep holding the stone.
I'm
We
buffing
can't
and
cap
then-
them. It's only 6 minutes of the game, so we can't let them cap. We can't give them
Big
the
clump.
free cap.
Pump here. AoE on me.
Oh, Fubu, help them. Commit, also try to
Pump like
play
full.
around, the
There's
top.
so many of them.
And if you can,
Guys, if we can step in a little bit also.
It's okay. Stay here.
Finish here.
Now when Reynan is
Pumping in.
coming
3,
next,
2,
try
1.
to push with
On
them.
Sino.
And
Sino dies here. In. Good.
nest,
Next target.
nest side.
Someone jumping on me.
More flash rays.
Finish Velocity. It's okay. New target
Yeah.
here.
Go.
Dead.
Push on
Good
the
job. Next target.
Fence. Look where we're
Okay.
checking.
Rita. 3, 2, 1. Pump.
Side.
Dead.
They're capping,
Next.
guys.
Good
No,
job.
no.
Come. Oh, they got it. Okay, guys, we have to play on the
Okay, we try to cap
application.
again, and we need to play more on the stone, guys.
Cryptos here.
Yeah, bit.
Cryptos. I'm gonna get away, so I'm not close to you. Investing here.
Easy
And
cap.
gonna jump on him here.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Finish crypto here.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Fireball. Now. Pump him.
Yeah, I'm
Use
trying to.
guardians,
Flashing.
Guardians and remedy. You can't die here.
Yeah, there's so many of them here.
Yeah.
We can't die here. We need to fucking kill them here. We need to
Coming
cap
back on
them.
3. Okay, we're capping back. Now the cap is the most important, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this.
Nice. Keep
I
having
have
control.
them
Look in the center. Keep killing them
rebuffed
in
here
the
a
and
lot.
whoever is coming in front.
Oh, bro, they have a expo.
Assassins, keep killing, keep killing.
Yeah, the spawn, didn't they?
Yeah.
Cryptos.
And now zombie
stealth.
waiting, so it's free kills, free kills. Also, people from top try to nuke the fence.
Pull down.
Fence.
Bro, this is so
Fence,
insane, bro.
aircraft. Nice. More towards the stone. More
the hell?
towards the stone.
I
I
got
need
pulled off.
only Dax party and Fufu's party to keep playing on top and holding the top. The rest
Samaki.
play down. The rest
Coming back here.
play
Okay, I
down,
got-
clear them and play stone. We have 4 minutes. We need to take the stone.
Gonna try to get close to you, Kami. I'm a bit in trouble.
Wow.
We all are. The pump
Okay,
of
I'm
digital
going back
pain
on
here.
the hook now. I'm half.
Okay, we are occupying 40%.
Try to stay inside if you
Fence
can.
side, fence and altar. Fence and altar. Don't clump. Take space, guys.
Sip. I'm gonna actually smoke screen here.
Okay,
And we
I'm
can
gonna
pump.
be
Look at
snakes
fence.
and
Look at fence side. Deep fence side.
Oh, there's a few people in new decks.
Yeah, I see.
I'm
Yeah.
making them all AoE.
Yeah, just AoE. Just AoE
Yeah,
them now.
same.
If we can. Good.
Nice, 58. Okay, we are close. 3 minutes left.
Oh, boys, we can do this. We can do this.
Look at the barricade. Clear that. Saploco, clear the barricade. Dax party, keep nuking on top, the stone. 67%, guys. Let's fucking go. 3 minutes.
I got pulled off.
Keep staying
Get
in.
back. I'm trying to get back.
Flashing.
Guys, just look at the low targets. Like, you don't even have to assist me always. Try to assist me, but try to look for the low target. Whoever is low on the point. If nobody's low, we're gonna make them low.
We're getting casted from above.
Okay, I see.
2 minutes.
Guys, we just need to stay in here,
Look at the center.
and they will not do anything. I'm gonna smoke screen.
Tanks, push them out. And provoke. They can't cast on the stone. We can't die on the stone now.
Good. 89.
Nice, exactly.
Oh, I died.
Big one.
Very good, guys.
We're getting casted from above again.
Keep playing. Split up.
Here, we pump them here.
Look at the new
One.
response. Flint's group,
97,
look at the new response.
97, guys.
Stay play on the stone.
Let's go. I'm coming back. Come on, we get it.
I have a lot in this,
99.7.
a lot clumped here.
A bit more. Come on.
Come.
We
We just need to
the
get
capo.
in.
We need to get the capo. Okay, now out.
Let's go.
Clear them on the
Declump.
stone And push them out.
Come up again, guys. Let's have hook control again.
Mid side,
We're gonna win. We're gonna win now on control.
Help out Fufu. The point part, don't let them cap at all.
Try to get up here if you can.
We have 2 minutes left. We need
We're gonna
to
still control from top. But
Gonna flash.
nice, boys. Beautiful.
hold the control.
Just keep assisting
All
now.
good, all good.
Coming inside it. Just don't clump. Whatever we do, don't clump.
Left
Okay.
side, take the altar and the nest. Keep
We don't need that many kills now. We just need to
Dax,
control
go
them.
help on the nest. Dax, go help on the nest.
Oh shit, I've there's a couple people coming from hook. There's a couple people coming up.
Yeah, I'm gonna pump here.
Clump. Use potions, use remedies. 1 minute to 20 seconds, guys.
Okay, we're clumping a bit too much here. I'm gonna go around here. Coleman. Get him. Yeah. When they're running in now, they're gonna zombie wave inside here.
Look towards the barricade. You kill them here. Nice. Okay, perfect. Rainhan's group, keep holding the fence side. And
Again. Let them make a clump, and then we.
really good. 1 minute left, guys.
They're hitting from the
Keep
back.
holding this, keep holding these.
Yeah, perfect.
Don't let them get free kills here. Tanks, keep aggroing them. Don't let them fucking play the game now.
Guys, if you have guardians, use it now.
Nice. Hold
Back.
it.
We just need 40 seconds. 40 seconds.
If only I survived.
Look towards the new
Do they have a
respawn.
lot of
Turn around,
mages
turn
or
around,
what the
turn around.
fuck?
30 seconds. Look towards
They
the
have a
new
lot, yeah.
respawns. Don't clump.
Coming up again.
Guardians?
Yeah, guys, if you have guardians, use.
Nice. Look around.
Go in your back. They're up there.
Yes. Roulette. It's good, guys. Just stay there. It doesn't matter if I die. Just come back quickly.
Okay, 10 seconds. Look at the fence. Big push on fence. Spears, clear it.
I get him, Ducks. Nice.
GG.
GG.
Did you?
Nice fucking job, guys. Good game.
Oh.